Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful baby crochet frock designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts as you can see. Stylish ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet frock designs, beautiful designing ideas for you sweet babies you can see in this my video. Latest fashion ideas, latest uploading ideas for your sweet babies. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy baby crochet frocks. Best top designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Your babies can wear these very beautiful frocks in the birthday party or wedding party with matching board designs, matching hairband designs, matching trousers, matching trouser color. Beautiful and trendy baby crochet frocks you can see. Those babies who love such type of crochet frocks. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet frock design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection for. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was it?